Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by opening the drawing and locating the attribute block. This ensures you work on the right object. Once found, check attribute definitions with a tdit or edit so you know which tags and prompts exist and why they matter for downstream text. Make a quick backup or xref copy to avoid irreversible edits. Then select the block reference. Do not explode yet, because confirming layer, scale, and annotation settings first prevents disruptive formatting changes when you break the block apart. Now you perform the explode in a controlled way. If you need attribute text preserved, run a text to extract attribute values to a table or file first. This preserves metadata. Then select the block reference and use explode. Alternatively, open block editor bidit and save a modified definition without attribute objects. Once exploded, immediately verify that attribute texts became text/mtext entities on the expected layer, and with correct text style and scale. Finish by cleaning up. Convert any remaining @def or anonymous attribute remnants to text or mtext and align positions. This lets you edit content normally. If attribute tags or links were lost, recreate them or use data extraction to reassociate values, because preserving semantic data matters for schedules. If text style, size, or layer assignment is wrong, use matchprop, setBelayer, and layer filters to restore consistency. If something goes wrong, revert to the backup and repeat the controlled extraction steps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.